Hey guys, welcome back to TicTech, the bite-sized show for all things tech. And today, we'll be taking a look at the Realme 6 Pro. Realme just launched their 6 series and this is the 6 Pro. And to start things off, let's take a look at the design. Overall, I think the phone is really nice in the hand and it only weighs 202 grams. The phone comes in two different colors, the lightning red and the lightning blue. The front panel is a 6.6-inch IPS touch display with 1080p resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate, which means the screen motion is really smooth. The phone runs on Android 10.0 with a Snapdragon 720G chipset and Adreno 618 GPU. So what does this all mean? It means your phone is ready for all your heavy-duty mobile games. The Realme 6 Pro comes with two storage options, 64 gigs and 128 gigs. You can also expand it with a micro SD card. Now, let's move on to the cameras. This phone comes with 6 cameras, 2 at the front and 4 at the back. The front-facing camera is a 16-megapixel lens and also a ultra-wide 105-degree selfie camera. This means you can take all your nice selfies ultra-wide. And of course, not forgetting the main camera comes with a 64-megapixel AI quad camera with 20x hybrid zoom and 119-degree ultra-wide lens. Also, for video capability, this phone can shoot 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The phone also comes with a fingerprint lock button on the side which is super responsive and at a comfortable angle. And to power this phone up, the phone comes with a 4300 mAh battery which can last you almost a day, depending on your usage. And not to worry if your phone is dying, with its 30 watts fast charging feature, you can get the phone from 0 to 100% in just 1 hour. The Realme 6 Pro goes for $499 here in Singapore, so go get them at Shopee. Links are in the description down below. Alright, so that's it for this video. Do let us know what other tech you'd like us to feature on this show. A big shout out to Shopee for sending us this phone for this show. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!